Well, the government is starting to offset losses for our farmers hurt by those widening trade wars.
It was just last week the USDA announced it would release an initial $4.7 billion of payments for qualifying ag producers. It's all part of the market facilitation program. News 4's Lily Zhang joins us in studio with the details. Lily?
Well, Brent, Kevin, farmers and ranchers can begin applying tomorrow through January 15th. These payments are tied to their 2018 production, not market prices. The Oklahoma Farm Bureau says that means they can't apply tomorrow if their crop is not done for the year.
We want to be selling our product. We don't want government payments.
Oklahoma Farm Bureau President Rod Moselle says farmers do appreciate these payments, but he says offsetting losses is only a short-term solution. Several countries have slapped tariffs on American commodities amid trade feuds, meaning some farmers are exporting less.
That's made the price for soybeans and corn and pork and lots of other ag commodities have dropped dramatically because they have less worldwide market, or their cost to ship their product to Japan or their product to China has gone way up.
The president instructed me as Secretary of Agriculture to make sure that our farmers did not bear the brunt of unfair retaliatory tariffs.
In Oklahoma, Moselle says a number of products have been impacted, but 3 in particular: soybean, pork, and cotton. Starting Tuesday, eligible farmers can apply to offset their losses through the USDA's Market Facilitation Program.
Trade tariffs have been pretty devastating to agriculture.
David Montunglin's family owns 160 acres of farmland near El Reno. He says typically between 75 and 80% of their wheat is exported overseas. Though it hasn't taken as big of a hit from the tariffs, trade overall has gone down.
The thing that's been holding up the price of wheat a little bit has been the worldwide drought in the major wheat producing areas.
We're counting on our negotiators to get things done as they did with Mexico this last week. We want to see those done with Canada and the EC and China and Japan and all over the world, so we can return to doing what we do best, which is growing crops and selling and feeding the world.
Now, this program is only one of 3 led by the USDA with the hope of curbing some of the effects from the tariffs. And we do have a link to the application and qualifications on our website.